I'm Dr. John Muhammad Afridi. I'm working as Professor of Pediatrics in the Department of Child Health, Khyber Medical College, Khyber Teaching Hospital, Peshawar. Today, I'm going to give you an important message about the third International Research Conference, which will be held on 2nd and 3rd October in KMC, Peshawar. Research is an integral part of evidence-based medicine. And this process is going on throughout the years in different departments of Khyber Teaching Hospital and KMC Peshawar. So this is a golden opportunity for the faculty of KTH-KMC, the medical officer, TMOs, house officer, and the healthcare provider to actually participate and to get benefit from the experiences of the national and international speakers. I must appreciate the efforts of research cells and medical education for arrangement of this important events. I invite you and request you all to participate actually in this conference and to register themselves as early as possible. We welcome you all and waiting for your response. Thank you very much.